Hello? You can see the light and the mirror. I know you know this old trick. The mirror inside the mirror inside the mirror inside the mirror and so on. If these two mirrors I have here, one there, the other there, if these were perfectly aligned and the base element of the mirror was made up of rings that became tinier and tinier and tinier down to an atom of photoelectric component like indium, zinc, oxidized copper, in different grades, and this candlelight represent UV diodes. Then from the other side, let's turn the table around, and the other side there was two more mirrors facing to make an infinite computation of the same diode, UV diode, and also was made up of photoelectric compounds like zinc, copper, and indium in different grades. And these different grades from the middle to the outer rim of the mirror meant something different, like the electricity you get from the outer rim would be 11111. All the down to the middle point, the one atom wide, that's the smallest thing we can manipulate right now, would just mean 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So it was in all directions of these four mirrors that I would point towards you out. Now, if you get the idea, each time this UV, this candlelight representing an UV diode, when it hits the inner rim, it meant something else than when it hits the outer rim. Now also, you will have a memory storage device that will beforehand know what these zeros and ones meant at the same time. And you have a computation device like one 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 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1, and the other way around it will mean something else. 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. In this mirror would mean something different than this mirror, and the other two mirrors, let's illustrate on this, would mean something whole different than its opposite. Now, to have other light source than the UV diodes, not to manipulate with the computation device, you have to put it in a room where there was darkness. Also, this could be, there could also be a coloring computation going on at the same time. Like, I have a I have a blue light diode, I have a red light diode, I have a yellow light diode. And those again in the mirrors inside the mirrors, the diodes of these three base colors would mean you will have something like a artificial sensoring object like the camera here, who will know what these three diodes would mean. Like the first three diodes would mean 1, 1, 0. The second mirror in the mirror diodes would mean 1, 0, 0. And so forth, 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 and so forth. And if the mirrors were perfectly aligned, they would the possibility would be multiple at the same time, infinite. If this sensoring device of this very fine-tuned sensoring device that could comprehend what these three diodes would mean in unison. The same about the mirrors that would be here and here that I'm showing, that would look just the same as here and here. So you have the mirror base component of photoelectric that would give out electricity, very low electricity to very high compared to the middle, to the outer rim, would have a higher base area that could absorb UV light. And the same about this mirror also. And the same to go with the other two mirrors that I don't have in this room right now. So you need a storage device, a memory block that understands the mirror, inside the mirror, what they means. And you need a visual, artificial sensory object. Like my mind, I could, if I was brilliant enough, I could computate what these lights would mean. Like what you see there would stand for a picture from my library on my computer, while the next ray of light source would stand for other mirror of my on my library, my HGD. Okay, do you get the idea? I hope you do.